So today now I'm discussing about the how to make a video using with the PPT. So I make the PPT presentation will be done. So I have the doubt how to make the video on using with the PowerPoint presentation. That is nothing but Microsoft PPT, PowerPoint presentations. See here, this will be applicable by the 2010 onwards. Microsoft 2010. 2007, we can install one software is called Video Downloader. Microsoft Video Downloader. Just go to that Microsoft Video Maker. So this is called, you can download by the software by the Microsoft Movie Maker and Video Maker. So before up to 2007, after 2010 softwares just can make the PPT version will be like this. Total how many slides will be? 16. Just first select the 16 slides. Now first one, here what is that? Slideshow and beginning. Nothing, no music. Any music are there? No. Just go back. Just first of all, here. What is that? I'm giving the animations. So I can give one by one animation here. But how many slides are there? 16. Last one. Now click. Give us. Done. So I'm created by the how many slides? 16. Now just go to slide. Here what is that? No sound. Just click. You can fix your sounds. Anything. Here I'm clicking for the arrow. Is it clear? Now just go to file. First of all, save as. You can save this file first. Browse. First to create the option call is right click. PPT videos. For that, SEO off page optimization strategy and will be right for 2018. Now, what is that? PowerPoint 972 2003 presentation. Click for save. Your presentation will be saved perfectly. Now, same. Go to file. The option call is save as. Click for browse. Now, click here. What option call is MPEG 4. Just click. Now click for save. What option call is MPEG 4. Here two types of video marketing is there. Video creation. One is called MPEG 4. Second will be Windows Media Video. What is that? Windows Media Video. I'm saying always MP4 video. Now click for save. So it will take for 10 seconds time. Wait for the 10 seconds time here. So just we can open the folder here. Now still you have to wait for the 10 seconds time. After they showing the same screen to here also. So previous one we can take what is our one, right? Microsoft we can save as the MP4 format. Second one is called which software? That is called mp3k.com here. If anything we can make the PP2 video making anything we can using software called mp3k.com. Just scroll down here. What that? PowerPoint to video. Now click. Now select your PPT file. Now go to specific drive. Select it. Now PPT selected. Now the upload file here. After that, each slide will be timed 5 seconds, 10, 15 and 20 seconds. So you have to wait for a second for the uploading video time. Just you can check the previous video. Done. Just look. This is made by that Microsoft along with the MP4 save. Second will be MP3K. They will take time here. It's very easy for without software. One is called with software. That is called MP3K online software. Second will be without software. Nothing but Microsoft will be. I'm using with the software here. See this. See here. Along with the slide. They upload by where? On your YouTube channel. So still this process going on. So wait for a second here. So done. Each video I'm give the 5 seconds time. What is that? Convert to video. So convert going on. It will take for 1 minute to 2 minutes time. So my video will be less than minutes. So there will be time will taken by the 15 seconds time. What is that? Download video. Now we'll be playing here. Now just click for download. Is it clear? Using with the mp3k.com. We can make the video two types. One is called Microsoft. That second will be using by the online software. That is called mp3k.com. This is called we can make the video using with the PPT presentations.